In this lesson, we will see how we can easily create a resume using Canva. So we will use a predefined resume template, and that too for free, and create a resume. So let us start. This was our Canva. Click here, go to home. Okay, now we will directly search resume, search for resume, and now different templates will be visible. You can also create your own template, but use what you already have. Let's say I'll click the following. Okay, you can use this template available for free, or you can use any of the below. I'll click here, customize this template. Now I'll do the changes. Okay, I'll change my name here first, and image here. Click here and click delete and add your own image. Delete the image here. Okay, now uploads, you can directly upload your image from here. Click. Okay, I clicked it already. Just drag and scale. Okay, I'll just change the heading. About me, a professional with over 10 years of experience in creating and publishing courses. Okay, fine. You can add any name here. I'll add my email ID, let's say Amit @ studiopedia.com. I can mention directly Delhi, India. Okay, experience, let's say I'll only add the current experience. Okay, I'll just zoom it. Studiopedia, Delhi. Okay, Studiopedia, Delhi, India. Current, okay, 2018. You can add any text here. Okay, create and publish courses in AI, programming, databases, and web development. Okay, now 2022, current, YouTuber at Amit Thinks. Okay, I'll remove this, it's not required. Videos on technologies. Okay, that's fine, I guess. Okay, now we can change it later. I did some jobs, so I'll just leave it. You can edit it in a similar way. Okay, education, you can mention skill summary. Okay, programming. Okay, web dev. This looks fine. Okay, I'll change it to, let's say, consultant, because businessman is looking for a job won't look good. Okay, so consultant. Okay, this looks fine. You can add your number here. Language, I don't know German, I only know Hindi and English. I'll just remove it. Okay, this looks fine. I'll center it. Expertise, I can add programming. Okay, this looks fine. So we are ready with our resume. You can add more things here, but I am just showing a format. You can also change it later on. Okay, So I've added the basic things here, and you can just change the color if you want by clicking here. Okay, complete color, or this here, but I think the real one would look better. The white background looks great and professional. You can also add more skills here. You just need to copy it and paste it like this. If you want to remove anything, you can just click here and remove, like you normally remove any text. Okay, that's it. Professional resume. I'll just click download and download. You can download this in PDF. It is automatically suggesting, obviously, because resumes are mostly in PDFs only. PDF standard, click download. Now I'll open it in PDF only. Here it is, .pdf, and this is our basic resume template. We just created it. Okay, the image automatically got fixed in it. So guys, in this way we can easily create a resume also. I'll go to home page now, home. Then I'll go to my projects. Okay, and I'll add this to my folder again. Here it is, click, move Amit examples and move to folder. Now you can see our resume will also be inside our Amit examples folder, and here it is. It is not updating, it will update later. I'll click and my resume will be visible. Here it is. So guys, we saw how we can easily create a resume with a predefined template provided by Canva. Thank you for watching the video.